You are just about finished and you've done amazing. So let's get you there. People Attainments. Think of these as the badges on your Scout sash. Proof someone can operate a bulldozer, handle hazardous materials, has done an induction. We're going to hit the download template button. With your Excel spreadsheet open, remove our demo data and start inputting your people's attainments. Some of the fields are mandatory, they're titled in red, and some might have drop-down options available for pre-populated data that you previously did during the onboarding stage. Once you're done, hit save and head on back to the onboarding screen. We're going to click next. We're going to drag and drop your Excel spreadsheet in and hit next. The system's going to run its validation check. Any issues will be flagged below, along with the corresponding Excel line, so you can easily head back and make amendments. You'd simply come back into this screen and hit the upload button. We're going to hit next. Have a quick review here. Remember, if there's any duplicates, it's not a big deal, and then hit next. Now we're ready to hit that Start Import button. Success! Your import is complete. To view the data that you just uploaded, open up a person's profile and you will find the attainments and certifications that you have just imported. Well done!